tried our Vanilla Hemp Smoothie Bombs yet?
Well, this is why it's good for you. It contains lots of ingredients, but the most important one is the hemp seeds. And why are hemp seeds so important? Well, because they are a plant-based protein, and they also contain omega-3 and 6s, which are really great for your brain.
It's a great source of vitamin E, it's good for the immune system, and it's anti-aging too.
So why don't we just show you a really great way to use it?
So today's smoothie, I'm using the Vanilla Hemp Bomb with half a cup of frozen blueberries and 1 cup of oat milk. So first things first, you add the frozen fruit into your blender. Then you crumble in 1 bomb. Take the compostable wrapper off. And you just crumble it in like this. And then you add in 1 cup of milk of choice or coconut water. I'm using oat milk as my fave. And then you just blend for 1 minute on high. Such a good colour. Can't wait to drink this.
So fruits that go great with this flavour are blueberries, pineapple, mango,
strawberries.
We've done pear,
banana.
Really any fruit that you really love.
Yeah, because vanilla, it's very versatile, like kids love it.
Yeah, so it's fantastic. If you are thinking about giving it a go, why not try one now?